basic principles of lean learning. After completing this topic, you should be able to match industry types with examples of how lean principles are applied and identify the basic principles of lean. Lean is a production management methodology that incorporates 4 main principles: eliminating waste, achieving flow in the value stream, continuous improvement, and maintaining an efficient workplace. Implementing these principles helps manufacturing, service, transaction, and retail industries to work more efficiently and cost-effectively while improving quality and delivery speeds.